Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan selamat sejahtera. My name is Ahmad Fakrullah bin Abdul Razak. I'm an internship student at V-Synergy Sembilan Berhad. Today, I'm going to introduce to all of you about NI Multisim. NI Multisim are one of the applications that have been developed by National Instruments. What can NI Multisim do? Basically, NI Multisim can help you to virtually simulate or analyze your circuit. Other than that, you can build your own PCB board with or without the multisim or with or without your circuit. Moving on to our topic. First of all, when you open the multisim application, there will be a blank template. In this blank template is where we are going to draw our circuit. First of all, before we start drawing our circuit, we are going to save this file. So click File and then Save As. For this circuit, I'm going to show you how to make a simple basic LED circuit with a switch. So I'm going to name it Basic LED Circuit. And then click Save. Okay, for this circuit, we are going to need one LED, one switch, one power source, and a resistor. To find our components, we direct our cursor to the top part of the application. This is where we click on Place and then choose Component. This component, all of the components will be listed in all groups. To make it simple for us, we are going to click on the all groups and choose our group of items. For example, we are going to need power sources, so we click on sources and then click power sources. This is a AC power source. If you going to need a DC power source, just click a DC power source and then click OK. Next, we are going to need a switch that is in the basic group. The basic group are mostly contain all the passive component. So we scroll down to resistor and then click any value and then click here. The next thing is we are going to need a switch. For the switch, we are going to need any simple switch and then put it like this. And the last thing we are going to need is LED. It is in diode group. We choose the LED and then scroll down to our desired color and then click close. Okay, to wire all of these components, we are going to direct our cursor to the end of each component and then connect it to another component, just like this. And so on for the next component and the next, until all of the components have been correctly connected. For the components that we are not going to be using, just highlight the component and then click delete. Okay, so as you can see, the first problem that we have encountered is the resistor. The resistance is very high value. To change our value of resistance, just double click at the components and then key in the value that we wanted. For this, we're going to use 330 ohm. For the power source, we're going to use a 9 volt power source. Then click enter. That's it. Okay, to simulate, it is very simple. You can either press F5 button or you can click on the green triangle, which will run and simulate the circuit. As you can see, for now, the LED doesn't light up. So we can either click the switch or we can also press button space. The button space can be changed to any button that you wanted, that the user wanted it to be, and then click. If you are satisfied with the result, you can just click stop. To make it even to make the user even noticeable about the LED, I'm going to show you the blinking LED project that I have created. So for this project, when I press the button run, you can see that the LED will light up. Okay, that is basically all the basic of making a circuit in multisim. If you have any question, just put it in comment. I think that's all from me. Thank you very much for watching our video, and wait for our next video, which I will make it more detailed about multisim, and also teach you how to make a PCB board using multisim. Thank you very much.